Okay, firstly, in order to run this application, you need to download the zip file, unzip it, file, open, and run the code. So basically, you have the main activity with the Java code and the XML. So let's have a look at the XML briefly here. So we've got an image, a text view, an image, and a text view. Okay, if you look at the code, you'll see what's going on there. Image view, text view, image view, text view. Okay, so there's two on clicks with both of the image views. So I have a go mail on click here, and in this image view I have a go text. Right, so let's now jump back to the main activity here, and there's the Java code. So really and truly, that's all we really need is this method and this method. Right, so before I go any further, I just run the program. So I'm emulating my S9 onto my real phone onto the screen here now. So if I press, for example, on the email, it's asking me, who do I want to send it to? So I'm going to just go with Gmail, and you can see here now there's some stuff that's been populated, right? So if I just move this out of the way for the moment, basically what I've done here is I've just hard coded it, right? So it's going to be sent to Tom at AIT. The subject line is hello from my app, and then the text is blah blah blah. So as you can see, it's going to Tom, hello from app, blah 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 blah. Okay, so that seems to have worked well, but it's hard coded. Now you could actually grab these hard coded text and pull them from text fields, or etc., or whatever you want to do. But anyway, that's a way of actually using your built-in mail to send a mail from your app. Now I've also included the text as well. So what's happening with the text? Well, I have a false number here, and the body of the text would say the SMS text. Now, so what happens there? Well, let's go back to my app again here now, and we go back, and I want to send an SMS, so I'm pressing on the icon for the SMS, and it's saying what app do you want to use to do that with, and I'm going to choose messages, and it's basically going to send it to this number with that text. Okay, so I think that's actually self-explanatory. They're just hard-coded. You could not necessarily make them hard-coded, use them a little bit more cleverly, but again, you're using the built-in functionality of mail and text to do functionality that would be quite difficult to write if you had to build it all into your app. Again, there's just two handy little examples of what you can do.